Good morning, students. This is Kusum Rana, your EVS teacher. Today we are going to take up chapter Super Senses. This is chapter number 1 in your book. Students, before we proceed, let us recapitulate what we have learned in our previous classes. We have learned that human beings are blessed with 5 super senses, that is, sense of smell, sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and sense of touch. And we take pride of being most intelligent animal on this earth. But after this chapter, you will realize the animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. And these amazing senses help these animals to survive, look for food, care for their young ones, as well as communicate with each other. So, let us move to the next one.
The only way we identify the world around us is via our senses. Similarly, some animals also possess certain senses. Have you ever wondered how animals have certain powers but we don't? For instance, how can an eagle see perfectly from the sky above? How can a dog easily recognize the smell? And how do butterflies taste nectar without the tongue? Well, all this is possible due to the super senses that these animals have. Let's identify these one by one.
Dogs are known for their sense of smell. You must have seen a dog sniffing here and there. Actually, they are looking for food or they are sensing danger. Dogs can even mark their areas on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine. And then there are sniffer dogs who are well trained dogs who can sniff out explosives, drugs, and can be used in the rescue missions. Suppose there is an earthquake and human beings are trapped inside the buildings. So these sniffer dogs, they are used to sniff out those living creatures trapped inside the buildings. So that way, the super sense of smell of dogs, it is useful not only to them but for us also. Another tiny creature with good sense of smell are ants. Ants use their sense of smell to detect food and look for other ants of their colony. You know, many years ago, people were interested to know how the ants move, how do they look for food, and what did they find out? They find out that when the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. So this way, the trail of smell help all the ants to reach the food. You can also do a small experiment. You just have to drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. And you have to wait patiently for the ants to come there. When they come, you have to observe them. Without harming the ants, try to block their path and see how do they behave. Do they change their way? Or do they change the way they move? You will be surprised to know the results. Whatever your observations are, you have to fill on page number 2. Okay, and then there are few worms like silkworm. These silkworms, they can find their female many kilometers away just by her smell. Now, can you boast of such good sense of smell? Can you smell a food which is being cooked from 100 meters away or even 1 kilometer away? I don't think so.
An ant's sense of smell is stronger than a dog's.
Even mosquitoes, they can detect us by the scent of our body because their sense organs are very advanced. And then there is very interesting information in the next clip.
Mosquitoes are attracted to people who just ate bananas.
Did you know this fact? I had no idea that mosquitoes can smell people who have just eaten a banana. Surprising. Now, which among these two animals has a powerful sense of smell? Is it a horse or a dog? Of course, it is a dog. Now, human beings, they react differently to different smell. Some find few smells very interesting and good, whereas some smells are very bad, which are unpleasant. Now, there is a very interesting story given on page 5 in your book. This is story of a woman called Sushila. You know Sushila, she was left with two babies. One was her daughter and one was her nephew. And you know what happened? Both the babies did potty at the same time. And Sushila, she happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son, her nephew, then she had to cover her nose. Why did it happen? It means the smell is good or bad for everyone, not in the same way. Okay, smell depends on how we feel about it. Now, you must be finding few smells which are good for you, and then there are few things which don't smell good to you. You have to make a list of these things, 5 such things which you like the smell of. Okay, and 5 things which you do not like the smell of, and then you have to write your answers on page number 4, and later on we are going to compare your list with your friends list. Also, you have to write in which different ways human beings can make use of special sense of smell of dogs. Also, you have to write names of 5 animals which you can recognize only by their smell without actually seeing them. Okay, you will do this much. Then we will meet again and to learn about more such senses. Goodbye and have a nice day.